Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Pirate Party is probably one of the most intriguing political movements of our time. Born from the digital age, it champions internet freedom, privacy, and reform of copyright laws. But what exactly does this party stand for, and why should you care? Join me as we delve into the core principles, explore the impact, and uncover the potential of the Pirate Party. Number 5. JOYIN Pirate Gold Coins and Gems Party Favor. Get ready for a pirate adventure. This set includes 144 gold coins and 144 colorful gems. It's perfect for any treasure-themed event. Each gold coin is 1.5 inches in size, ideal for little hands. They're great for party favors or as part of a treasure hunt. This will bring much fun. The set also includes a variety of colorful gems, each 1 inch in size. These gems add a touch of sparkle and excitement to any party. They are perfect for decorating. Whether it's a pirate theme, Halloween, or birthday, this set is a hit. Use it for scavenger hunts, decorations, or as prizes. It's sure to be a hit. Made of durable, safe plastic, this set meets US toy safety standards. You can rest assured that this is safe for kids. Let the adventure begin. What we like. This set gives you a treasure trove of pirate goodies, perfect for any pirate-themed event. It's great for filling treasure chests or using as game prizes. If you are planning a treasure hunt or a party with lots of kids, this is a fantastic choice to make the event more exciting. What people say. Gems were cool looking and the kids enjoyed the pirate coins. I had a pirate theme in my kindergarten class, and the kids earned these gold coins and traded them on bigger prizes from a big wooden treasure chest weekly on Fridays. A light, but seemingly durable plastic coin. The gems add the bling if you're filling a treasure chest. Number 4. Tatuo Pirate Banner, 60 PCS Jolly Roger Party Decorations. Get ready to set sail with these pirate banners. You'll receive a total of 60 flags, perfect for any pirate-themed celebration. They are ready to decorate your party. Made from quality plastic, this banner is built to last. It won't easily tear or fade, even when exposed to the elements. You can confidently display it outdoors. Each pirate pennant is a good size, making them easy to spot. The size is perfect for hanging in various locations, adding a touch of pirate flair to your event. The banners feature a classic skull pattern in a striking black tone. This design creates a mysterious atmosphere, perfect for setting the scene at your party. These flags are great for birthdays, Christmas, New Year's, or any pirate-themed event. Hang them in your garden, on walls, or at a bar to enhance the atmosphere. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. What we like. These pirate banners are made of durable plastic and can withstand the elements, making them perfect for outdoor parties. The skull design adds a mysterious touch to your party. If you are looking to create a pirate atmosphere for your outdoor event, this banner set is an excellent choice. What people say. They were a great length and they can with a 4-pack. These are cute and sturdy enough to stay up at our campsite for a week. It made great decor for a pirate-themed party. Number 3. Juvale Pirate Party Favors Kit, 100-piece set. Get ready for a swashbuckling good time. This kit is packed with everything you need for a pirate-themed party. It's perfect for entertaining and decorating. This set includes compasses, magic springs, rings, earrings, coins, necklaces, hats, telescopes, treasure chests, and eye patches. It has everything you need for a memorable pirate birthday party. Made from plastic and foam, this kit is built to last through a whole day of pirate fun. These accessories are designed to withstand the excitement of any pirate adventure. The treasure chests are 3.25 by 1.8 inches, coins are 1.38 inches, and the telescopes are 5 by 1 inches. The kit includes a variety of sizes, ensuring there's something for every young pirate. With 100 pieces, including rings, earrings, coins, necklaces, skeletons, compasses, telescopes, treasure chests, eye patches, and hats, this set has it all. It's the perfect solution for all your pirate party needs. What we like. This kit includes a wide variety of pirate-themed accessories, from hats to compasses. It's designed to provide everything you need for a complete pirate experience. If you are hosting a pirate-themed birthday party and want to provide a lot of fun, this set is perfect for you. What people say. We used the items for a pirate treasure hunt, the kids loved them, but the items are a little flimsy, but the kids didn't care, they had fun with the pirate set anyway. I bought 2 packs for my son's birthday party and it was a hit with the kids. You get a lot of pieces for your money. I got these for my son's 4th birthday party. My son loved the box of treasures. We put them in a treasure box, the kiddos hunted for buried treasures. They loved it. Number 2. Juvale Pirate Favor Bags, Skull and Crossbones Design. These Juvale Pirate Favor Bags are perfect for any pirate-themed party. They feature a classic skull and crossbones design, adding excitement to your event. Made from sturdy paper, these bags are great for holding treasures. The thick material ensures they can handle the excitement of any gathering. Each bag has a gusseted bottom, providing stability and ample space. Measuring 5 by 8.7 by 3.2 inches, it's perfect for small favors. With 36 bags included, you'll have plenty for any celebration. They are ideal for birthday parties or treasure hunts, serving as delightful decorations. These bags aren't just for birthdays, they add a whimsical touch to holiday treats. Use them for creative gift presentations, perfect for both kids and adults. What we like. These bags are perfect for handing out party favors or creating a treasure hunt. They are made of sturdy paper and have a gusseted bottom for extra space. If you are looking for a fun way to give out treats or small gifts, these bags will add a touch of pirate adventure. What people say. The game is well designed. The game has a lot of features. Number 1. Sparkle and Bash Pirate Cups, 16 ounces, black, 16 count. These black plastic cups are perfect for any pirate-themed event. They will enhance your party decorations and create a memorable atmosphere for all your guests. Impress your guests with these pirate-themed cups. They are perfect for holding drinks or serving snacks like candy and popcorn, ideal for any pirate birthday party. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these cups are designed for durability and reusability. You can simply wash and reuse them after each event, making them a practical choice. Each reusable pirate plastic cup holds up to 16 ounces. This makes them an ideal addition to your pirate-themed birthday parties, allowing guests to easily enjoy their beverages. This set includes 16 pirate tumbler cups. You'll have everything you need to create a cohesive and fun theme for your kid's birthday celebration with this set. What we like. These cups are perfect for serving drinks or snacks at your pirate party. They are reusable and made of durable plastic. If you are looking for a practical and fun way to serve drinks at your party, these cups are a great option. What people say. These cups are adorable and came just as described. Perfect for birthday party. Sturdy cup. These worked great for pirate bunko night. They're really cute and fun. Reusable sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.